Before we can start the construction of box drainage, we are going to excavate the material from here and then we shall do the construction. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically it is an existing road. You can see here that we have started the excavation. With the help of excavator, we are excavating material first. It is an existing asphalt road and we had to mark the place with the help of asphalt cutting machine. It allowed us to remove asphalt. So you can see that with the help of excavator we are removing material and the tippers are transporting the material out. You may see that we have done the excavation. We have removed the material completely from here. We had done the backfilling and we are now doing the rolling. It will allow us to do the concrete blinding. You may see that the concrete blinding has been started. It has a thickness of 5 centimeters. The length is 15.5 meters and the width is 3.2 meters. This culvert is going to be constructed along with an existing culvert. You may see that we are breaking the extended part of wing wall. We are doing so in order to connect the wing wall of our existing culvert with the culvert that we are going to construct here. All this will allow us to drain out the water of this road. You may see that the iron bender has started putting the reinforcement bars for the base as well as for the walls. You may also see here that the reinforcement bars are popping out of the base. They are the starter bars which will be joined with the reinforcement bars of the apron. Reinforcement bars for the wing walls have also been started. You can see that this is the outlet of the existing culvert. Since the volume of water was in high quantity or in high amount, we had to construct this another culvert here. You may see that we have started pouring concrete for the base. We are also doing the concrete blending for the apron. The thickness of our base is maintained at 30 centimeters. The same thickness is going to be maintained at the outlet and inlet of the culvert where we are going to have the apron. Similar to the base, we are going to have a thickness of 5 centimeters for our apron where we are pouring this concrete. You can see. So the reinforcement bars have been placed for the apron and the wing walls. After we were through with the construction of base, carpenter had started placing the shuttering for the walls. The walls are also going to have a thickness of 30 centimeters. The height of our culvert is 1.8 meters into in and the width is 2.4 meters into in. Before we start to pour concrete, we are splashing water. So you can see that we have poured concrete for the apron. After we are through with the construction of apron, we shall be doing the excavation for the toe beam. Toe beam will have a height of 1 meter and it will have a width of 0.4 meters. The length of this toe beam is going to be 4.5 meters. You can see this is the inlet of the culvert. where the mason is dressing the concrete. So apart from apron, our walls have been constructed as well. Now you can see that the carpenter is placing the shuttering for the decking. Once he is through with the shuttering, we shall be doing the construction of deck slab. Let me add here that for the reinforcement bars we have used Y16 mm rebars as the main bars. For the runners we have Y12 mm bars. After the placement of 2x4 we had to place H beams, and now you can see that the carpenter is placing the plywood. Once the carpenter is through with the shuttering, iron bender will have to start the work for the deck slab. Reinforcement bars will be placed so that we can construct our deck slab. You may see that the iron bender has started work. Before he started the rebar work, you may see that we had to place the concrete biscuits or the concrete spacers. They will help you to make sure that the rebars are not touching the plywood. For the bottom and top mat, as usual, you can see that the horse benches are being used to keep the spacing between the top and bottom mat of the rebars. The deck slab is also going to have a thickness of 30 centimeters. The head walls are going to have a height of 80 centimeters or 0.8 meters. It will have a thickness of 30 centimeters as well. However, for the wing walls we are going to have a thickness of 25 centimeters. For the wing walls we are going to have a length of 7.5 meters on one side. On the other side we are having a length of 4 meters. For both inlet and outlet we are following the same pattern. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you still have any questions or comments, feel free to write in the comment box. You may also send me an email with your queries. So you can see here that the mason is dressing the deck slab. This is the place where we are having the toe beam. Rebars have already been placed. For the inlet we have a thickness of 40 centimeters and the height of 0.6 meters. You may see here that we are pouring concrete now for the toe beam. So later on we shall be constructing our wing walls and the head walls. Guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.